MrPavers.com today. Get out of the house and enjoy all that your beautiful outdoor living space has to offer with Mr. Pavers.
Shopify presents cool sheets from aha to
I suffered from the wrong kind of hot in bed, heat-induced insomnia. That was my aha moment. Bed sheets that keep you cool. Then I thought, how do I even sell bed sheets? That's when I had the idea that made it all possible. Signing up on Shopify.
This is Possibility, powered by Shopify. Sign up for a free trial at shopify.com/odyssey-free. Shopify.com/odyssey-free.
You can't control the economy, but you can prepare for success, even during a recession. Introducing Bambi, dedicated HR support starting at just $99 per month. Your Bambi HR manager is available by phone, email, and real-time chat, so onboarding, terminations, HR compliance, and more run smoothly. Schedule your free demo now and get our free gift, the American Business Owner's HR Playbook, your secret weapon to thrive in recession. Visit Bambi.com and type GIFT under streaming for your free demo and special guide. BAMBEE.com. Type GIFT under streaming.
Your home is a one-of-a-kind piece of art, a palette of design elements reflecting your personal aesthetic and functional needs. For over 20 years, All Natural Stone's exclusive collection of luxury tile, exotic and specialty natural stone, and masterfully engineered porcelain has been transforming homes into pieces of livable art. Visit one of All Natural Stone's 4 Bay Area showrooms in Berkeley, Dublin, Burlingame, San Jose, or at allnaturalstone.com and find your inspiration. You can dine in art, entertain in art, bathe in art, lounge in art, relax in art. You can live in art.
Fox Across America with Jimmy Fallon.
But it's wildly overpopulated with activists masquerading as journalists. And that's why you'll hear all the crowing in the world about Republican rhetoric and zip ties at the Pelosi house. Hey, we wish Pelosi well. But if you really want to curb political violence, at some point you have to acknowledge the truth about political violence, which is that it's happening all over the country.
Weekdays, noon to 3 p.m. Eastern. Listen live or get the podcast now at foxacrossamerica.com.
Did you know that people everywhere are recommending GoodRx?
My doctor told me about GoodRx to help us save money on our meds.
My neighbor showed me the app. To help me save on my kids' allergy pills.
Americans everywhere are sharing the savings. Another good reason to check GoodRx. To start saving, go to goodrx.com or download the free app today. In 2021, GoodRx users saved 81% on retail prescription prices.
Frontier, we know you've had enough of cable internet. If you're tired of steep price hikes, upload speeds slower than download speeds, and worrying about Wi-Fi, then uncable yourself and switch to Frontier Fiber. With unrandom pricing, equal uploads and downloads, and our whole home Wi-Fi guarantee. Introducing internet that works the way it should. Frontier Gig Fiber with our 3-year price guarantee. Plus, you can get a $200 Visa reward card on us. See frontier.com/fast4 for complete offer, terms, eligibility, and performance details. Subject to availability.
Who are you? I'm you, from the future. What do you want? I want to tell you about Dave. Dave has your future money. Spend it on whatever you need. With extra cash from Dave, you can get up to $500 instantly with no interest and no credit check. Download the Dave app from the App Store right now. That's DAVE. Sign up for an extra cash account and get up to $500 instantly. For terms and conditions, go to dave.com/legal. Instant transfer fees apply. Banking provided by Evolve. Member FDIC.
At Frontier, we know you've had enough of cable internet. If you're tired of steep price hikes, upload speeds slower than download speeds, and worrying about Wi-Fi, then uncable yourself and switch to Frontier Fiber. With unrandom pricing, equal uploads and downloads, and our whole home Wi-Fi guarantee. Introducing internet that works the way it should. Frontier Gig Fiber with our 3-year price guarantee. Plus, you can get a $200 Visa reward card on us. See frontier.com/fast4 for complete offer, terms, eligibility, and performance details. Subject to availability.
How do I address an employee who smells bad all the time?
Talk to Bambi.
One of our employees just reported sexual harassment.
Talk to Bambi. HR managers can cost $80,000 a year, but with Bambi, you get access to your own dedicated HR manager starting at just $99 per month. Policies, onboarding, terminations, training, feedback, coaching, and more. Talk to Bambi by phone, email, and real-time chat. Visit Bambi.com and type Odyssey under streaming audio when you sign up. Spelled BAMBEE.com. Odyssey Streaming Audio.
To run on traditional Republican things, which is low taxes, family values, tough on crime. How was he able to do that?
And let's remember, in 2018, he won by a very thin margin. It wasn't like he was coming in with 20 points of support, right? So he had to grow his voter base. And, again, he's not running against, some no-name candidates. Stacey Abrams is going after him again. I think it's crime. I think what he did during COVID, you heard a couple people in that previous segment talk about how he kept businesses open for as long as possible. That made a difference. People noticed that, and now he's being rewarded.
Yeah, people definitely have this personal connection with it. I even saw that when I was on the road when, President Donald Trump got him a challenger. And the voters in Georgia kept saying, we know Kemp. We know he did this for me. When you have that personal touch, it matters. Speaking of President Trump, I think he's going to run. This is what he had to say. Watch.
We're going to win in 24. We're taking back that beautiful house. I'm not going to say it right now. I promise you, in the very next, very, very, very short period of time, you're going to be so happy, okay? You're going to be so happy. Very, very soon. You're going to be surprised at how soon.
So this was tonight. I'm not going to announce if I'm going to run, but I'm going back to take back the White House in 2024.
Yeah, well, first of all, we have a election coming up in about 3 days. So let's keep our focus on that if you're the president or folks talking about 2024, no matter who you are. And number two, look, this is not going to be a cakewalk, whether you're President Trump or anybody else. I think people, whether it's Ron DeSantis or other people, are going to get in, and they need to earn it. This won't be given to anybody. And I think very much so, no matter who it is, we need to keep the focus on Joe Biden. We can't talk about past elections. We can't talk about 2020. Talk about what Joe Biden did and what he's doing to wreck our country, and that'll put us in a position to win.
But is Donald Trump still the leader of the Republican Party?
Look, as of right now, we have a lot of good leaders. We'll see who runs. But I think come 2022, in about 3 days, we're going to have a lot of new leaders in the Republican Party as well, whether you look at, again, somebody like Herschel Walker or other people who are going to get elected, maybe even Caroline Leavitt.
Listen, I'm watching it all, and I'm going to be right back on the campaign trail talking with the voters, and I normally get a sense for who they're going to grow with. Matt, thank you so much for joining the program. So coming up, Oprah. Democrats are hoping Oprah can help tip the scales in their favor for the Pennsylvania Senate race. But their obsession with celebrity endorsements may be their downfall.
Fox News, I'm Richard Jordan. The final stretch before Tuesday's midterm elections.
With so much to win or lose, Republicans and Democrats are turning to their top hitters. The GOP relying on Donald Trump's popularity to tip the votes toward the red column. And he was in Miami stumping for Senator Marco Rubio.
Fox's Ashley Strohmeyer. Trump was also in Pennsylvania this weekend campaigning for Dr. Mehmet Oz, who's in a tight Senate race against John Fetterman. Meanwhile, President Biden was in New York with Governor Kathy Hochul.
We're the United States of America. And there's nothing beyond our capacity if we work together. So vote. Get out the vote now.
Hochul is ahead of Republican Lee Zeldin by just 4 points, according to some polls. America's listening to Fox News.
Connect to Fox News Audio on the Fox News app. Listen to hear your favorite hosts like Brian Kilmeade, Jimmy Fallon, and Guy Benson standing up for what's right, live and via podcast. Just click listen, then swipe right and hear the latest news updates on your time. And scroll down to hear the latest podcasts from Fox News. And it's even easier to listen in the car with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Get programming alerts and notifications. Fox News Audio is on the Fox News app. The Voices America trusts. Download it now. From the Fox News Podcasts Network.
I'm Ben Domenech, Fox News contributor and editor of the Transom.com daily newsletter, and I'm inviting you to join a conversation every week with the smartest thinkers out there about the issues Americans face and where we are going as a nation. This show will feature deep dive interviews with newsmakers and some of your favorite Fox News analysts. I hope you'll join me as we dive into the fray. It's the Ben Domenech Podcast.
Subscribe and listen now by going to foxnewspodcasts.com or wherever you download podcasts.
control the economy, but you can prepare for success, even during a recession. Introducing Bambi, dedicated HR support starting at just $99 per month. Your Bambi HR manager is available by phone, email, and real-time chat, so onboarding, terminations, HR compliance, and more run smoothly. Schedule your free demo now and get our free gift, the American Business Owner's HR Playbook, your secret weapon to thrive in recession. Visit Bambi.com and type gift under streaming for your free demo and special guide. BAMBEE.com. Type gift under streaming.
Who are you?